Hey, Rainbow here and welcome. I'm going to give you a little update on my Ducati Multistrada V4S that is currently at the dealer in the service department, getting looked at for the stalling issue, getting looked at for the starting issue, having some warranty work done. I believe there's I don't want to call it a recall, but a service bulletin for the bushings for the center stand. There's also, I don't know exactly what it is, but something about a heat shield for the muffler or one of the pipes that has to be installed or changed. Don't know the specifics about that. I also have a warranty issue with the front cowling that's below the winglets for the windscreen, the clear winglets. There's a red piece that wraps backwards. For some reason it slides into a piece of rubber. It keeps popping out all the time, and they're going to take care of that. But the big thing is that they are currently working on the engine and trying to determine what is going on. So what they've been doing is they've been running it, putting it through some tests, collecting the data, and then shipping the data off to Ducati North America. So Ducati North America is kind of looking at everything and then giving them some feedback. Now, what I've learned so far is that the valve bodies have to be looked at. So I think that the butterflies had to be adjusted on there for the air. So I do know, the throttle bodies. I'm getting mixed up here. The throttle bodies had to be looked at because they were out of adjustment, and so far they're kind of hoping that that's going to be part of the problem, and to me that makes sense. We'll see. I don't know. And they've done that, and they ran the bike again and then shipped that data out to Ducati North America, who's going to evaluate it and then get back with them. Now, I was supposed to have the bike back for the weekend, but unfortunately the mechanic who was working on it was called away on an emergency. So I should get it back hopefully Tuesday afternoon after work. Hopefully I'll get it back because the shop is closed on Sundays and Mondays like most motorcycle shops in Florida and in other parts of the country, but not all, except Harley. Harley seems to be open 7 days a week. I wish everyone else would do that, but I guess that's a staffing issue and cost factor. So that's where I'm at right now. The throttle bodies had an issue, and there had to be some adjustment, and that's it. So I'll have more to tell you. I just wanted to throw a quick thing out there about it because I don't have the bike back. So I spent the weekend doing stuff not on the motorcycle, which actually felt pretty good. As you can see, I'm a little sunburned. I played some pool volleyball today. Anyway, that's the update. This is Rainbow. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate it, and look forward to some more content coming out. Thank you, and have a good day.